today we brought the 50-ton Manitex up to the nice west side of the city, and we are doing some framing with steel and getting all this into place for the boys so that we can finish this building off. Or should I say start? I don't know exactly. So far, they're weighing anywhere from like 500 to 900 pounds, depending on the piece. And we'll be getting all the outside done first, and then we'll be getting the rafters and then placing all those in for them as well, and go from there. There's only looking like 2 more actual beams that need to be put up besides all the framing and the structural pieces that tie it all together.